All right, let's get right into it. Today, we are putting a really fascinating YouTube niche under the microscope, the whole world of digital nomad skills. We're going to break down all the data and see if there's a genuine massive opportunity here for you as a creator. So let's kick things off with a single number that's, well, it's kind of hard to wrap your head around. 40 million. That is the estimated number of digital nomads out there right now. To put that in perspective, that's pretty much the entire population of California. This isn't some tiny little subculture anymore, it's a global movement, and it's been supercharged by this huge shift to remote work.
Okay, so what about the money? We're looking at an average CPM of $11.50. Now, CPM just stands for cost per mil. It's a fancy way of saying what advertisers are willing to pay for every 1,000 views on one of your videos. And trust me, $11.50, that is a very healthy number. It tells us that advertisers see this audience as super valuable and as people who are willing to spend money, which is a fantastic sign for any creator.
And for the last piece of this initial puzzle, growth. The data is pointing to a potential 12-fold growth path for this niche. I mean, that's not just growth, that's an explosion just waiting to happen.
So when you put all these numbers together, it leads us to the one big question for today's analysis. With a huge audience, really high monetization potential, and explosive growth, could teaching digital nomad skills actually be YouTube's next goldmine for 2026? Let's find out.
So to figure out if this is a real opportunity, we have to look past those big, flashy numbers and really understand what's driving this whole trend. We got to dig into the why.
What's just staggering here isn't just the size of the audience, it's the speed. I mean, look at this chart. The digital nomad population literally doubled in just 5 years. This isn't some slow, steady growth. This is exponential. It means that every single day, more and more people are joining your potential audience, and they're actively looking for information on how to make this lifestyle actually work for them.
But here's the key insight. This massive audience shares a massive problem, and we can call it the nomad's dilemma. You know, the dream of traveling the world, that's the easy part. The hard part is building a sustainable career while you're on the move. They are struggling with everything, from learning high-demand skills like coding and marketing to the nitty-gritty stuff like taxes and time zones. They are literally typing these problems into the YouTube search bar, just looking for a creator to guide them. And that search for solutions, that's where the real financial opportunity is. And believe me, it goes way, way beyond simple YouTube ads. Let's just put this into perspective for a second. As you can see, a typical entertainment or, say, a gaming niche might get you $3 to $8 per 1,000 views, and you're mostly relying on small commissions. But this nomad skill niche, it starts with a much higher CPM, and it just swings the door wide open to high-ticket products. We're talking in-depth courses or personalized coaching that can sell for hundreds or even thousands of dollars. The entire revenue model is just on a whole different level.
I love this slide because it shows such a clear path to building a real business. You can think of it like a revenue stack. You start at the bottom, you earn a solid baseline income with those high ad rates, then you layer on some affiliate income. But where this becomes a life-changing business is when you start to move up that stack, when you create your own high-value courses or coaching programs. This is how creators in this space aren't just making a living, they're literally building wealth.
Okay, so the market is huge and the financial potential is crystal clear. But where do you as a new creator actually fit in? Well, the key is finding an untapped angle. And to do that, we need to understand this concept called a content gap. And it's really simple. It's just the space where audience demand for a topic is way, way higher than the amount of content that creators are actually supplying. It's the sweet spot, low competition and super high interest.
And here is our first gold mine. Just look at this donut chart for nomad taxation. That huge purple area, that represents an 88% content gap. So that means for every 100 people searching for this topic, only 12 are actually finding a relevant video. This is a high-stakes, high-urgency problem. I mean, you get it wrong and you're in trouble with the government, right? That urgency is why the CPM is a massive $14.50, and it's why the first person to make great content here could absolutely dominate.
Here's another example. This one's a little more on the B2B side. Asynchronous leadership. This is a critical skill for managing teams that are spread out all over the globe. It's a major headache for founders and managers, and as you can see, there is a massive 85% content gap. This is a perfect example of a totally underserved professional niche.
Or how about this angle? Becoming a virtual assistant specifically for parents who want to earn an income from home. This is a demographic that is so incredibly motivated, and they're looking for a flexible career path that fits around their family. And yet, there's a staggering 82% content gap. The audience is practically begging for a creator to show them the way.
So we've seen the massive audience, the powerful monetization model, and these wide-open sub-niches. It's time to put it all together and give this niche a final score.
So let's just break it down with the final scorecard. Demand, it's high. Competition in the right spots, surprisingly low. Monetization, extremely strong. And the overall trend, it's only growing. So is it beginner-friendly? Absolutely, because you can become the go-to expert in one of these content gaps. When you look at all these factors together, the picture becomes incredibly clear.
Based on all that data, the final validation score for the Digital Nomad Skills niche is a massive 95 out of 100. That is one of the highest scores we have ever seen in these analyses.
So, back to our original question. Is this a gold mine for 2026? The data gives us an unambiguous, resounding yes. So, to put it simply, here's why it's a gold mine. You've got a massive, growing audience with urgent problems. You have a monetization model that goes far beyond typical ad revenue. And most importantly, you have these wide-open sub-niches where you can become the leading voice with very little competition. It's the perfect storm for a new creator.
Now remember, this data is a powerful starting point. But picking the right niche for you, that still takes some thought and maybe some experimentation. So please, use this analysis as a launchpad for your own ideas, not as some kind of rigid set of rules.
And on that note, I really want to hear from you. What niche are you thinking about starting? Drop it in the comments below. I'll pick a few of the most interesting ones and give them this same deep dive analysis in a future explainer. Let's help each other find the next big opportunity.